Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we are going to look at how to create PDF using Power Automate and Microsoft Lists. Whenever a new item is added to the list, the flow will generate a PDF automatically. You can then send it by email, save it to OneDrive, or both. The PDF will include your logo, all the details from the list, custom columns and tables, ready to use anywhere. Let's get started. So the first thing we have is an end of job reports list with columns for project, location, task, and details. The goal here is whenever a new report is added and marked as completed, we want to automatically create a PDF and either save it to OneDrive or send it by email. To set this up, we'll go to Microsoft Power Automate, click Create, Automated Cloud Flow, and then name it Save in Email PDF, and we will do it on when an item is created and press Create. So now my Power Automate is connected to my list, which is the end of job reports, and the trigger is when an item is created. So the next action I would add is a condition. And the condition will be on the column completed. And if the value of completed is true, then it will do some things. First thing it will do is it will basically create the HTML that will be the base of our PDF. So I will use a compose over here, and in the inputs I already have my code written. So what this will do is basically it will create a logo on the top, and it will create a table and also put the values from the list. So for values, I'm just going to remove this and go back here and add dynamic content. The first one will be project value, as they are the choice column, so the value will be needed. You will need to have project value. You can't put project. Same for location. Go to dynamic content and go to location value, and same for task. Go dynamic content, press on task. Oh, sorry. Task value, and we'll save this. Next action after compose will be a create file, and we'll do. So the idea is to create a file in OneDrive. So create file, and the location I will give is I've already set up a folder in called end of job reports. I'll put it there. File name, I will name it end of job report.html, and the contents of the file would be the outputs from the compose. The next action we will have is convert file. The convert file, we will use the file from the create file action and ID of the file, and target type is PDF. It's already selected PDF. We will use another create file after this, and in this one we will put the location again. I'll save it in the same folder. The file name, I will just call it PDF end of file, end of job .pdf, and the contents will be from the convert file content, and I'll save this. So to test this flow, we will create an item in the list and see if it creates a PDF in the OneDrive. So I'll go to the list and add new item, save, and now we wait until the flow runs and see how it works. So our flow is successfully run, and if we go into OneDrive, you can see it has created two files now. One is the end of job report.html in the first create file, and the other one is the PDF. If you open the PDF, you can see it's put the logo on the top, and it also has created a table and picked up the columns from the list. Now if we are to extend this logic in Power Automate, and we add, if we want to send this as an email, we can also do that. So what we need for that is send an email action, and then again something would be end of job report, and the text will be, you can see you will have the attachments, and you can add new attachment. So the name will be from convert file, which is file name, and the content will be again from the convert file content. To test it, we can just use the same trigger. So if I check the email, it has also sent an email and added the attachment, the PDF attachment. And that's it, guys. Now every time a job is completed, a PDF is created and sent automatically. You can customize the layout, add your own logic to it, add your own branding, and use it for any type of report. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.